Hello guys, hi, this is Makram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science for Everyone. As we are talking about Excel series and we are covering step-by-step things, as you know, we have done multiple things: addition, multiplication, like min, max, average, and sum, and so on. And now we are talking with manipulating or deleting, inserting the worksheet or updating the things on worksheet. So regarding this, let's see how we are talking about renaming the sheet. We can do it by simply double clicking the sheet. You can see monthly budget, you can do that, or else you can double click on this too, and then you can click on monthly budget 2 like monthly budget 2. Yes, or else one more thing, you can go over here and you can rename button, click on that, and you can just do month 1, or you can just give like January here, January 2021. Yeah, and now you can do rename again from right click and then Feb 2021. That's it. So simple and cool. And you can add up the same with one more sheet, and then you can rename it, double click, or you can go right click and then rename, and then you can go click on and you can give the name March 2021. That's it. Cool guys, I think you got how to rename the Excel sheet, and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.